So Zymergen, or ticker ZY, is in the news today after ARK Invest, which is led by Cathie Wood, just bought a whole bunch of shares of the company. And as you can see, is all over the news. Zymergen on the rebound after ARK Fund buys 2.47 million shares. As Zymergen crashes 76%, Cathie Wood piles up 2.5 million worth of shares. And as you can see here, this is a list of some of the ARK Invest ETF holdings. This is ZY, Zymergen. They got it at 825. That is just one of 171 of the stocks that ARK Invest ETF Holdings has. As you can see, they have Tesla, Teladoc, Square, Shopify, Coinbase, Roku, but they also decided to add ZY to the list. Well, as you can see, Cathie Wood was not the only one talking about ZY or thinking about buying ZY yesterday. We got it at $7.80. That was yesterday at 9 a.m., well before any of the reports came out that Cathie Wood did buy it or that ARK did buy it. So we got in actually before ARK did and before Cathie Wood decided to start buying. And that was at $7.80 at 9 a.m. So that's 9 a.m., 8:04. So here we go. You can see it came right down to around 774, which is right next to the entry below 780. We picked that up, rode it all the way to $11, and then all the way up to $14.35 by 10:30 a.m. And as you can see now, it's trading at around $13.69. So we actually got in on this one before anybody else knew about this, before ARK, before Cathie Wood, before all that news came up and shot the price up. We got it at $7.80 yesterday. It went as high as $15 today, and we sold all out at $14.35 for an 80% profit, because you always want to lock in those gains. You never know when the top is going to happen. That being said, we not only caught ZY way before Cathie Wood and ARK yesterday, we also caught ZY before even yesterday. This is 8:03, so this is a couple days ago. On Tuesday, we decided to trade at $8.70, and we got all out at $10.50 for a perfect day trade. And of course, ZY was not the only big stock that everyone was talking about. Of course, everyone was also discussing Robinhood. We did a whole bunch of live trading on the Robinhood IPO, leading up to Robinhood IPO, and then even after the IPO, we did a bunch of live trading on that, so be sure to check that out. As you can see, it IPO'd around the $30 range. I believe it was like $38, went down as low as $33 and shot up to $85. Right now it's trading in the $60 range. And of course, we also played that one. We got that back 7/29, so July 29th, we got that at $34. We rode it up to over $50, locked in some profits at $51, and rode the wave up to that $70-$80 range. We also day traded Robinhood yesterday. We got in around $67.50, and we hit both of our targets overnight. So we not only got into ZY before ARK did yesterday, before Cathie Wood did yesterday, we also were in ZY 3 days ago, which is way before anyone was even talking about ZY and the ARK involvement. And not only that, we also live traded ZY, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up some clips on that. I believe we got it around 12.83, rode it up to, I believe it was around like $14, and like around that $14 range that it hit. So let's go ahead and pull up those clips.
So we're still waiting on this chart. And to be honest, when we're doing live trading, I'll try to chat a lot because it can get a little boring if we're watching charts for entry, which we just hit that entry, 1283. So right on. Okay, so here we go. We had that nice pop we were looking for on ZY, pretty much exactly like I had said. So we were in at 1294 on this. So I look for 5%. I consider 5% a highly successful trade. So 5% would be 75 cents. So we approached right around that. We're at about 4% right now at this 1350 level. So we're up about 7%, 6 to 7% right now. And again, if you took the trade at 1292, we had a good 8 minutes before it actually popped. So there's plenty of time to get in the trade, watch the chart, let it breathe a little bit. If you are still in this trade, it's really cranking. We're up about 15% now. And, we really haven't had, even if you sold a little bit on this pullback and kept just a little bit in, we didn't really have a super substantial pullback that would make you overly worried that it's going to crash back down. I like to flip to a 3-minute chart to make sure it's not a fake out. And we didn't even have an engulfing 3-minute candle there. So it's a play I feel secure staying in.
So just watching ZY, because Jamie said this could definitely pop today. And that I'm thinking a break above sort of the 1440 area where it keeps hitting resistance, or maybe even 1450. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm watching it sort of hit a wedge or form a wedge, and then to play the breakup out of that.
Recap again, we had ZY. We traded for a fantastic up to 15% on that one. Yes, please share, like the videos, this and that. And that's how we're going to be able to live trade more often. And thank you, everybody. And we'll see you guys next time. And I'll see all you guys back in the Discord.
So if you want to get those awesome alerts that I was showing you earlier, those great call outs, so like we took ZY way before Cathie Wood, got a lot of great profit off of that one, around 80% profit. And then of course that trade from the $30 range for Robinhood where we got over 100% profit. Then be sure to check out our free Discord. You can check that in the link below. And of course, if you go to pbalerts.com, you can get access to our premium alerts where we call out Robinhood, ZY, and a whole bunch of other great stocks. And if you like that live trading that you saw earlier, then be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We do that all the time. But until then, I hope that you all make some bread.